Hello everyone, my name is Natalie Wehbe. Our team will talk about a field of study that is becoming very important to our mental health, which I'm referring to AI powered sentimentally adaptive therapy. In this work, we will start by introducing and talk a little bit of background, the main challenge that we will propose an innovative solution for it, then conclude the work. So the difference between therapy and AI therapy. Therapy, especially in mental health, we are talking, is a collaborative process between a therapist and a patient aimed at improving emotional well being, which include various methods such as talk therapy, cognitive behavior therapy, and more. The therapist rely on verbal communication, facial expressions, and behavioral cues to assess emotional state. So, how AI can do such a job? With advancement in technology, AI therapy has emerged as a complementary tool to traditional methods. So AI is basically using algorithm and data analysis to provide mental health support. And this platform can interact with patients via text, voice, and video to analyze their emotional states and offer real-time assistance. After we talk about the introduction, what are the related work and the challenges of therapy and AI therapy? I will ask my colleague Jafar to talk about them.
Thanks, Natalie. Recently, the demand for mental health support has surged dramatically. This rise has exposed several limitations in traditional therapy methods, such as high expenses, long wait times, and restricted availability. But here is where AI therapy stepped in, transforming these challenges into remarkable advantages. One standout platform in this field is Wisa, an AI powered chatbot designed to provide emotional support. Wisa interacts with users through text based conversations, offering valuable advice and coping strategies for managing stress and anxiety. However, it's important to note that platforms like Wisa still face hurdles in fully grasping nuanced emotions, such as sarcasm or ambivalence. While AI therapy has made significant strides, capturing the nuanced emotions like ambivalence or sarcasm remains a challenge. Platforms such as Elomia and Wisa primarily rely on text based analysis, which means they often miss out on crucial nonverbal signals, including tone of voice, facial expressions, and physiological cues. These limitations can result in incomplete emotional assessment of patients. Now, to navigate these challenges, I'm excited to introduce my colleague Kevin, who will walk you through our Innovate solution.
Thank you, Jafar, for highlighting the challenges that are really important for sentimental analysis. Our AI-driven sentimental analysis approach provides a more complete understanding of emotions by integrating multimodal based on three essential elements: physiological data collection, facial expression recognition, and speech analysis. First, we gather physiological monitoring data in real time, using sensors like a smartwatch to monitor heart rate, blood pressure, and skin conductance. These physical metrics provide foundational insights into a person's emotional state, capturing responses that may not be immediately visible. On top of the physiological monitoring, we analyze facial expressions through recurrent neural networks, or RNNs, to detect real-time shifts in emotional cues. By identifying subtle changes in expressions, we gain further insight into emotions as they emerge. For example, high blood pressure from physiological monitoring plus angry face. This means that the patient's emotional state is stress. Now, after knowing the emotional state, is that enough? No, we need also have a conversation, which is our third element. We use the speech data in the transformer models like BERT to capture the nuance in the tone, word choice, and even pauses. This layer reveals additional emotional states that might be missed in visual and physiological data alone, and here we can get better results with our innovative solution compared to other platforms like Visa or Elomia. By integrating these three modalities, create a detailed emotional profile for each patient. By combining these insights, our multimodal AI approach aims to enrich both AI-driven therapy and clinician-supported care, fostering a more comprehensive and empathetic approach to mental health. With this foundation laid, Nasran will now provide further insights and conclude our discussion.
After my colleague Kayvan explained the solution, we conclude that AI has the potential to be implemented in mental health care and providing more robust AI models that improve emotional understanding. And also, we can make support more accessible and allow therapists to offer higher quality and personalized care. And finally, the key takeaway is that AI driven insights can capture the full emotional picture of each patient, which can improve the process of therapy. At the end, I would like to sincerely thank you all for your attention.